ओम क्रीं 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 ह्रीं 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 हुं 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 दक्षिणकालिके क्रीं 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 ह्रीं 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 हुं 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 स्वाहा। माँ दक्षिणकालिके नमः। प्रसन्नो वरदो भव, प्रसन्नो वरदो भव, प्रसन्नो वरदो भव। Welcome to Siddha Sadhak Parivar. Before sharing any spiritual practices or techniques, we want to clarify our objectives. Through this channel, we aim to uncover our endangered Vidyas from our Vedas and Purans and apply it to the modern times. So, let's begin today's chapter. Today, in this episode, we are going to discuss about Lord Bhairav sadhana, and we will give the correct path to perform this sadhana. As you know, the Lord Bhairav, one who is the ruler of Kashi city, the one whose louder roar is good enough to destroy all the creations of the lotus born Lord Brahma, the one whose glance is enough to destroy all the sins, the one who is the powerful ruler, the one who is the bestower of the eight powers, and the one who wears a garland of skull caps. I bow to Lord Karl Bhairav. And we all need the grace of Lord Bhairav in our lives. We can be troubled by a real life enemy who is making our life a hell. Consider a situation where the enemy is far more powerful than us, the enemy is more resourceful than us, and the enemy is wealthier than us. What will we do under such circumstances? Shall we bow down before the enemy and seek his mercy? Or shall we flee away from the area like a coward? Is not there a way to take care of such enemies? Or isn't there any sadhana that has a solution to such a common issue? The simple and short answer to such a problem is performing sadhana related to Lord Bhairav. The word Bhairav means the one who removes all sorts of fears from the life. Lord Bhairav is an incarnation of Lord Shiva only and is thus worshipped by both tantrics as well as mantrics. He is a quick appeasing god and is thus a widely worshipped god too. He is depicted in an aggressive form with angry eyes, shaped like lotus blossoms, blazing hair, tiger's teeth, snake coiled around his neck and crown, and a garland of human skulls. Lord Kal Bhairav carries a trident, a drum, and the severed fifth head of Brahma. And if we are coming to another aspect of life, how many of us don't remain fearful about our future? How many of us are not afraid of something going wrong against us? How many of us are not afraid of someone's planning evil against us? What about your co workers? Maybe the office colleague you are trusting the most, whom you have favored the most, is plotting against you. Maybe the person is poisoning your manager's thoughts. What about your business? The person whom you trust the most might be trustworthy. Maybe he plans to bleed you out in the future. Is there anything in the world of sadhanas which can help us to remain at peace and safeguard us against all such activities? And the answer to this problem is also called Bhairav sadhana. Lord Bhairav is also called upon as a protector as he guards the eight directions of the universe. In Shiva temples, when the temple is closed, the keys are placed before Lord Bhairav. Bhairav is also described as a protector of women. He is described as the protector of timid and in general women who are timid in nature. Now we will discuss about sadhana procedure. One needs Kal Bhairav Yantra and Kal Bhairav Rosary for this procedure. This sadhana should be performed At night after 10 p.m., take a bath and wear black clothes and put a vermilion mark on the forehead. Sit on a black cotton mat facing south. Cover a wooden plank with a black cloth and place a picture of your Gurudev on it. Worship your Gurudev with vermilion, rice grains, flowers, and light an oil lamp. Now, what to do? Now, chant one round of your Guru given Guru mantra and then pray to your Gurudev to grant success in the sadhana. And now, speak out what I am telling. Om Hrim Aim Shrim Klim Aim Hrim Shrim Sarvagragyaya Prachanda Prakara Batukaya Emam Deepam Grahana Sarva Karyani Sadhay Sadhay Dustan Nasay Nasay Trasay Trasay Sarvato Mama Raksham Kuru Kuru Hum Phat Swaha. Next take some unbroken rice grains, flowers, some water in your hand and speak Grihan Deepam Devesa Batukesa Mahaprabho Mama Bhishtam Kuru Sri Pavadhyayo Kuru Samudhyayara. Offer the articles held in hand to the lamp. Now joint your palm and looking at the lamp, speak out Bho Batuk Mama Sammukho Bhavah Mama Karyam Kuru Kuru Ichitam Dehi Dehi Mama Sarva Vignanan Nasay Nasay Swaha. Speak out your wishes or any hurdles that you want to remove from your life. Next, chant 21 rounds of very powerful Batuk Bhairav, Kal Bhairav mantra with the rosary. If possible, try to fix your gaze on the lamp while mantra chanting. And the very powerful mantra is Om Hrim Kal Bhairavaya Hrim Namaha. Then chant this mantra after completing the 21 rounds. Sri Bhairava Namastubhyam Satvaram Karya Sadhakaha Ustarajamita Deepam Traisabhya Mantra Namakshara Henana Puspena Vikalena Va Pujitosi Maya Deva Taksameva Mama Prabhu. Pray again to the Lord for success in sadhana. Sleep at your worship place in the night. Next morning, tie all the sadhana articles in the black cloth and drop it in a river or pond. This ensures the completion of sadhana, and you will yourself notice how various challenges are automatically getting resolved in your life and they no longer bother you. It is for sure, and there is no doubt. One who is interested to perform this divine sadhana, our email ID is given here in this video. You can contact us and we will guide you and deliver you the things to be used in the sadhana at your doorstep. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel as much as possible to join us. That's it for today. Om Krim 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 Hrim 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 Hum 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 Dakshina Kalike Krim 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 Hrim 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 Hum 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 Shwaha Ma Dakshina Kalike Nama Prasanna Vardo Bhav Prasanna Vardo Bhav Prasanna Vardo Bhava. Jai Siddha Sadhak Parivar.